Good day guys, this is iMovie Man 11 and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on more advanced editing in iMovie. So firstly, we're just going to open up iMovie. I have already imported in footage. If you don't know how to do stuff like that, importing or basic editing, go watch my other tutorial and come back to here. Alright, let's start off. So I'm just going to select some footage to edit today. I'm just going to chuck that in and maybe that. Right, so now that that's in, I'm going to start editing. Well, today I'm going to show you how to fix sound problems, put in some transitions, maybe some voiceovers, slow motion, fast motion, stuff like that. Alright, so firstly, I want to get rid of my voice there. So to do that, I'm just going to stop the clip. And where that is on the audio, I'm just going to select that and click delete. Now as you can see here, my voice is now gone and it has deleted that audio. I noticed a bit of a wind sound at the start there, so I'm just going to do the same thing. Delete that. Just delete the sound. Alright, I am going to now move on to putting volume a bit further down. So say you didn't want that part as loud, so what you're going to do is you're just going to go where that line is and you're going to drag it down. See, it's decreasing. If you wanted to do it a bit easier than that, if you think that's a bit hard, you can go to audio adjustments and you can go here and put the volume down and then just click done, but I just like to keep it fast and do it there. Now as you can see, hear that volume? That's a lot lower. Alright, I'm going to move on to transitions now. Transitions can be used in a variety of movie products. It sort of helps the movie to flow. So firstly, I'll need to click this button down here. There's many transitions already in iMovie. They're quite useful actually. You can choose any of these, whatever you prefer. I think I'm just going to choose a spin out today. So to do that, I'm just going to click down and drag it up into here. That's where I want it. And as you can see, it's added a transition for a new clip. Right, so that's basically how to do the transition. You can do more transitions, but I think I'm basically just going to do one for now. Right, I'm going to move on now to fast motion and slow motion stuff. To say this particular spot, I wanted to put it in slow motion because it's pretty cool of my dog running for the ball. So I'm just going to click down and drag what I want in slow motion. Okay, so I want that part in slow motion. I'll just stop. And I'm going to go up to clip, slow motion. 50% makes it a bit slow motion. 25 is medium slow motion. 10 is actually quite deep slow motion. I'm just going to put it in 50%. I don't really need anything else than that. As you can see, that's slowed it down and put it in a nice slow motion roll. The sound sort of, in slow motion, the sound sounds a bit weird, so you just get rid of the sound there. And that looks pretty cool. Now, if you want something in fast motion, you're just going to do the same thing. You're just going to click down, select the part that you want in fast motion, then you're going to go up to clip, fast forward, and 2 times. And as you can see, it's fastened it up a bit. I'll move on to titles now. Titles are quite important in a movie project. It's sort of, it like labels it, you know, like maybe if you're doing credits, who has been in it, or you want to add a title of the movie at the start, or maybe even throughout it. I'm just going to add one throughout it. Now, I don't want a full-on title in the middle of where all the action is happening, so I'm just going to select a lower one. So you're just going to click down and drag it up to there. Alright, as you can see, it's appeared down here. Alright, yeah, you can start typing here. I'm going to type it slow motion. Okay, and as you can see, yep, the title's there. So say maybe you want a title at the start. I'm going to select centered and I'm just going to drag it to the start. And I'm going to select black. For this title, I'm just going to put dog and click done. As you can see, it's got that. I'm just going to go back to transitions and add a fade to black to just sort of help that. As you can see, it's faded and gone into that. At the end of it as well, I'm just going to add a fade to black fading to black. I like that sort of transition. You don't have to use that, but I like to. And maybe if you wanted to a voiceover, so you wanted a voice that is ADR, and you're doing it inside the editing project, but it's not actually in the sound of your clip. So as you can see, there's voiceover there. I'm just going to click that, and it says, as it says in there, you select which part you want a voiceover. So you're just going to click down. I can't really figure out where the voiceover is happening, but yeah, okay. So I'm just going to click down. Getting ready. My dog. As you can just click exit if you don't want the whole time. Okay, and as you can see, our voiceovers appeared down here. I don't want all of that voiceover, so I'm just gonna. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna just keep it there. My dog. See? It's put my dog server down there. My dog. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. That's basically all I was gonna show you guys today. Alright, see you later.